Hello everyone, I'm Julia Stefani from English Education Program Study. This video will inspire you to trust yourself because I will reaction and give to you guys what I learned from Selena Gomez that speak about trust yourself. First of all, Selena Gomez is my favorite singer. I really love her song, her movie, and she is my inspiration. She said that the most important thing is to always trust in ourselves. If you have to do something because you love it, you should do it because you love it. And believe that you can do it, be kind to each other, and love and inspire people. Stay true to yourself. Please just remind who you are. And know that we have each other back. So, be who you are, love yourself, be proud of yourself, and trust yourself. Okay, I think it's enough. Goodbye!